DIY blend project. For math project, today I will show you how to make a DIY blend project. You can use recycled materials at home. My materials: hanger, 2 plastic cups or paper cups, strings. How to do: drill a hole in the cup. My parents helped me to do this step. Use the scissors, cut the string and tie with a glass. And then you tie them with the hanger. It will be done like this. Batteries are heavier than 3 batteries.